This is Paul Singh, the market speculator at bullsonwallstreet.com with the free weekly swing trade report for November 14, 2016. Post-election market reaction is in here. And as we can see, not only did we get back into that month and a half long trading range that we had broken down from pre-election, we blasted through it. We got to the top of the range, right to this open gap back from early September. We're about 20 cents away and started to pull back in here. This is a good thing. Most importantly, we've got a ton of volume coming in here. So this is exciting for the market. We have a key step now. We're getting some consolidation after the big move, and we want to see a break of this open gap and the top of the range. Now going back here, this is looking very similar to the post-Brexit reaction when we had that market scare, bounce back, initial move, consolidation, which we're in right now, and then hopefully we get that breakthrough. Now when you get one of these, like this right here ended up being one of our most profitable periods of the year, and as a swing trader you're looking for those periods where you can really push it. So if we can get up over that open gap, break to new highs, this should be a really nice run here. Now, that's assuming nothing, a lot of things can happen. Trump makes a comment that scares people, the market could come back down. But for now, let's not worry about that. Let's just pay attention to the market, but we are building positions slowly. Now, let's talk about the sector rotation. Now, right now, the key area you want to avoid is big tech, which is usually the leader. So the Googles, Facebooks, the Amazon, you can see these charts are ugly here. Amazon, I'm missing one here, but that's okay. It'll be the same chart. So we're going to stay away from big tech, which we're always watching, but we're going to stay away from that right now. The sector rotation is into biotech. You can see really nice chart. Marijuana stocks, because of the good election results related to marijuana legalized in California and a few other states now. So we're going to use this, probably the safest one here, which is GWPH. In the trade report, we got into this at 124 and we're up to 130 and we're looking for a break of 140. So we're going for a big play here. So actionable areas now: biotech, marijuana stocks, financials. So let's pull up XLF, the financial ETF, on fire. Very extended, has to pull back in a little bit here. And the plays we're using for that right now are FAS, which is the leveraged ETF. And you're not going to get a lot of areas that are going to beat that in terms of stocks, but we're going to look at Goldman Sachs here as another play for the financial sector. And then finally, the commodities area, and we'll just talk about steel. X here on fire. Again, we need pullbacks in some of these areas, and FCX, which is also on fire. So there you go. Actionable setups you can be watching right now. You don't need to look at 200, 300 stocks or different areas in the market. Just key into the best areas. And these are the 4 or 5 areas you want to be looking at right now. So pay attention to these areas, find good spots to enter, and you should, when you're in the right sectors, it almost doesn't matter where you enter as long as you're in the right spot. So you should be able to make money in these key areas. Now, if you want more, go to bullsonwallstreet.com, and I don't have it up at the moment, but go to bullsonwallstreet.com, swing trade alerts. You'll get my swing trade report daily, and videos, and also trade alerts. For instance, the LABU and GWH positions we are in right now. So I'll see you guys next week. Remember, there's a lot of free content aside from the subscription service. Ton of free information on the blog. Check that out, and I'll see you guys next time.